You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? A French pronunciation for more names from French history, from places of France, in France. Make sure to stay tuned. Vichy is how it's pronounced in French. Vichy, so CH in French is pronounced like SH, so not Vichy. And yes, you've heard it, or the I and the Y are pronounced E equally. Vichy. It's easy, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.